Ayaw ko mag-retinol kasi nakaka-dry ng skin. What are you saying? Kayo ba? Anong retinol serum ang ginagamit nyo? Sa lahat ng retinol-based serums na natry ko, ito talagang Pond's Age Miracle with Hexyl Retinol ako hiyang. Effective talaga siya at the same time, gentle lang sa skin. Alam naman natin na habang tumatanda tayo, nag-slow down din ang pag-repair ng ating skin. Idagdag mo pa pollution and UV rays na nakaka-affect talaga sa ating skin health. Hesitant din ako dati na gumamit ng retinol kasi nga nakaka-dry and harsh daw sa skin, especially sa ating face. However, this serum from Pond's can boost the renewal of the skin but still gentle because it has hexyl retinol. It's a blend of hexyl resorcinol, retinol C, and niacinamide that can make your skin brighter, healthier, and youthful looking skin. I use this everyday bago ako mag-makeup and ito naman yung night serum na ginagamit ko bago ako matulog. So, what are you waiting for? Don't wait! Try now the Pond's Age Miracle with Hexyl Retinol for youthful looking and natural glow.